Today is Friday, May 16th, and I know I'm in a little bit of a different spot. I'm just sitting on my bed right now. But today I learned that when you are trying to organize something or find some kind of insight, consolidate some kind of information, it has to get messy before it can be organized. And that can be a overwhelming process, right? And this goes for, I remember I saw a visual a while ago, and it was like when you, like if you had a suitcase full of clothes and it was like slightly open, right? Because it's just like filled with clothes. If you want to get those clothes out, if you want to organize them, you have to lay it all out. You have to get all those clothes out and get more messy before it can be organized. I don't know if I explained that very well. But today I was trying to figure out like YouTube stuff, trying to figure out like kind of what my vision is, what I want my videos to look like, trying to figure that out, especially because summer is coming up. And I was getting very overwhelmed because I had all this information in my brain, and it had to be messy before it could be organized. And I think that's why like having a notebook, like a physical pen and paper, is really helpful. You can diagram things, you can go through this process of organization like visually, and you can see every piece. And I actually talked about that in a previous video of like the potential of a blank page. I'll have that linked in the corner. But things have to get messy before they get organized, and that messy process can be very overwhelming, but it's worth it, right? You can't have it be messy and then just leave it there, but you have to go through this process in order for it to get better. And a lot of times the same is true for like things have to get hard before you receive a good thing, right? A lot of good things are hard to receive, right? So like a good relationship can be hard to receive because it's uncomfortable, and you have to get vulnerable, and you have to maybe go through like hard times, but eventually you will get there, right? So this general principle of just like hard or messy or complicated or overwhelming things usually yield good results. Or maybe flip it around, if you want a good thing, it'll take effort, it'll be hard, it'll be overwhelming in order to get that good thing, right? So that's just something that I was reminded of today, and hopefully you found this video helpful. If you did, then I would love a like or comment. If you want to see more, then definitely subscribe. This is a video I posted yesterday. You can subscribe in that corner, and if you subscribe, I will see you in tomorrow's video.